In a quiet park, there was a small bird that never learned how to fly. Every day, it watched the others rise into the sky. It stayed on the ground, pretending it didn't care. One afternoon, a little kid sat next to it. The kid whispered, "Maybe you're not meant to fly yet." The bird looked up for the first time. It looked not at the sky, but at someone who believed in it. Days passed. The bird kept trying, falling, standing again. It never gave up. Then one morning, it didn't fly high, but it flew forward. Sometimes you don't need wings. You just need one moment that changes how you see yourself.